News just coming in, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Election Commission on the issue of alleged faulty electronic voting machines. The Supreme Court has sought a response on a PIL filed by ML Sharma, an advocate. The poll panel has been given 4 weeks' time to respond. The PIL alleges that EVM can be tampered with. The petitioner referred to allegations of EVM tampering in recent assembly elections in 5 states and Maharashtra civic bodies. The petitioner sought a directive for registration of an FIR to investigate alleged tampering of EVMs for vested interests by political parties and to file their report before the Supreme Court. India Today's Anusha Soni now joins me for more on the story. Anusha, bring us details, the prayer of the petitioner, and what did the court say?
Gaurav, to add to the details you just spilled out, this is a response sought only from the Election Commission. Now here the petitioner lawyer ML Sharma, who was arguing in person, also said that in fact CBI should also be made a party in this case. CBI should in fact pick up one of the EVMs, conduct an investigation with the experts and find out and submit a report to the Supreme Court whether there can be certain amount of tampering that can be done with the machine. However, the court was not of that opinion. Also, a note of caution here, the Supreme Court has not expressed any opinion so far. In fact, it has refrained from ordering any sort of investigation right now. It has only said that the Election Commission should come forward to the Supreme Court and clarify that what are the safeguards in place and how technically sound and secure is this entire electronic voting system which is currently in place is.
Okay. The Election Commission, of course, Anusha, in the past has made it very clear that these EVMs cannot be tampered with. They're not linked to any system. Each button individually pressed can only be pressed once to have one response. Was there a response from the Election Commission or from anyone in the government at that point of time? And on what grounds did the court not order a CBI investigation even though the prayer sought one?
Well, Gaurav, as you pointed out, even in the past, there have been various sort of allegations as far as the EVM security system is concerned, that how secure they are. And Election Commission, time and again, in the press and in courts, have said that, this is a pretty secure system we have in place. However, the PIL petitioner, argues and puts forward certain arguments which have been put forward by many esteemed universities, especially in the West, and also some academicians who are also working in this country, that, there is a certain kind of suspicion that this is a system that can be tampered with. However, as the Election Commission time and again has insisted that this is in fact a very secure system in place, the court was that of opinion that unless the Election Commission admits to the fact that there is some sort of problem that needs to be looked into, it is not going to take a step forward or order any sort of investigation. A notice is merely seeking an answer from, it is not an expression of any sort of opinion from the top court of the country.
Okay, Anusha Soni, for the moment, many thanks.